by the way, two things came to my mind, totally different things, but in Norway sometimes Norwegian people ride quite fast. It's very understandable if they are riding between cities and towns and villages and they want to get fast from here or there. And it's not reckless riding, they are quite careful, but they ride fast. And you have to watch the traffic. Well, so look the traffic. And totally another thing is that if you come to Norway, check out the mobile app called YR.no. YR.no. It's the weather app for many platforms, and there's millions of weather apps available, but this YR.no is a little bit different. It is very exact. So if you really want to know what is the weather today, tomorrow, or within half an hour or whatsoever, just use this app. Yeah, that's the great app for weather, and all bikers knows that the weather is an important role on your ridings, and if you can avoid bad weather, you first have to know where is the bad weather and how severe the weather is. Oh, this is waterfall, at least to me. Small stream coming down, maybe 100 meters or something like that. Oh yeah, baby, it's groovy. Oh man, this is long and spooky tunnel. It's 3 kilometers long, and obviously it's older tunnel because it's quite narrow, and the road is not so good here. Oh no. Oh, I can manage that one. Oh, my glasses went totally missed. Look, I don't see anything. But these are just protection. I don't need glasses when I'm riding. The rain is probably starting, so I have to put my jacket and everything to watertight. It's kind of easy operation. Not problem at all. I just have to close all ventilation. Here it is. Okay. Yes, I'm a little bit worried because my GoPro camera is not waterproof. It's not waterproof, so there's openings for the microphone. So let's see how it survives. Okay, now we go. Okay, now it started to rain. This is not any heavy downpour, just drizzling a little bit, but still tarmac is wet, and I have to be careful on the when riding wet tarmac, obviously, you know. MC Treff, 1 kilometer. MC Treff is a motorcycle gathering So some local club is keeping some nice weekend. Look what I found. In this nice resting area there's a toilets and these kind of shelters. I rode in here because it's raining a little bit, so my bike is under roof right now, and here is some other roofs also, and this kind of seating area, benches there, and the scenery is really beautiful. This is very popular amongst the tourists. When they come here, they spend even nights here. There's some places for camper vans and cars and even tents. So, but who can blame the views? These magnificent Lyngen Alps are everywhere. Yeah, usually when I'm having a break, I have some time also to make a coffee, but I started 1.5 hours ago, so not too keen to make a coffee here. But I have a water and these Giflars. Giflar is cinnamon bun, and it's full of energy, and it is really good what I have. But sometimes, yeah, I'm making coffee to myself. Maybe I'm making video about that one because it's one of the process. It's not a long process. I can get the coffee within 15 minutes, but anyhow. And I need to have a milk with me because I drink coffee with milk. Yeah, so this is Nordic style of break. This is really nice place. There's nearby Kitdalen, which is full of war history things. There's been concentration camps and other stuff. Here there are still remnants, but it needs some hiking, and I'm not prepared for having a hike today or even during this trip. And also the weather is not the finest, but maybe some year I will come back here and make some hike to look these war history and Atlantic Wall memorial sites. This is road E8 from Norway to Finland through Kilpisjärvi border station, and at the beginning it goes through this valley, and road is in good condition, and it's undulating here at the valley floor, and this route is surrounded by these high mountains. So riding this beautiful road towards Finland is a proper way to end my trip here in Norway. Of course, I'm riding 1,000 kilometers back home in Finland, but it is totally different. This road goes higher and higher in this valley, few hundred meters above This is the border station between Finland and Norway. Let's see what they say about this corona situation.
Kun pääsee, niin pitää ottaa kunnolla kuvia kuulla.
Kyllä.
Ei siellä niin montaa kertaa. Minä olen Jyväskylästä, niin sinne on niin pitkä matka.
Joo.
Passi löytyy.
Passikin
Vai
on oikein.
ajokortti?
Ei. Molemmat käy.
Passi on kuukauden vanha, niin mä ajattelin, että jos ajokortti. Selvä, tiedän.